What are we doing today?
We're doing scalp scrubs is what we're doing.
So you can scrub your scalp.
Yes, darling, so you can scrub your scalp. So I got 3 different ones set up, and I guess let's start with the least. I don't know, shit. So right here we just got some regular sugar. Probably gonna need more sugar than that. But anyway, this one's kind of like a moisturizing scalp scrub. And you take your sugar. This is coconut oil. Put your coconut oil in it. Yeah, I'm gonna need some more sugar than that. And take any kind of deep conditioner you got. It don't matter. Look at me. Any kind of deep conditioner. And you just gonna mix that all up and scrub your scalp. You're gonna part your hair in sections. And that's pretty much it. So try to get like a moisturizing deep conditioner that you have. And you can add these up all different ways. I'm just doing the ones that I found most effective, basically. So that's a moisturizing scalp scrub. And the next one, hold on. All right, so the next one is kind of gonna be like one that's not really abrasive. So we have some ground up coconut, what's his name?
I don't know.
Why don't you know?
You don't tell me anything.
I don't tell you anything, you're right. This is ground up oatmeal, there you go. And we're gonna add a little brown sugar in it. Not a whole lot. I'm just gonna stir that in together. And guys, don't go crazy on your scalp. Don't go scratching your scalp. This is just basically to loosen up any buildup that you have on your scalp. So just be gentle with it. So we got that in there. Then we're going to add some olive oil.
Will these help with dandruff?
Yeah. Especially the next one we're going to do.
I shall try some.
Fine. So olive oil. We got some honey here. This can actually be a face scrub too, but you know, not with the peppermint because we add peppermint oil in it.
Honey.
Now the peppermint oil, this has anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties. But you're gonna stir that all up. Now you can use more or less depending on your preference, like of the brown sugar. Y'all hear my cat? He's crying. He wants to be let out, but we're not going to let him out because he has mental issues. And it's our cat. He doesn't like to admit that he likes the cat, but he does.
Stupid cat.
Alright. And that's it for your second one. Alright, now we're going to do your third one. Which is, this is more of like a detoxifying one. And this is dead sea salt. So try to get, if you can find like some fine dead sea salt. This one is some coarse one that I just kind of made fine myself. But if you can find it like already fine, do that. So this one isn't going to smell too great though. This is dead sea salt. This is apple cider vinegar. It smells gross.
But good for your head.
But good for your head. I need more dead sea salt. Alright, we're going to take that. And so the apple cider vinegar is...
What was that?
This is jojoba oil. This is the oil. This is really good. It's close to your natural sebum. And apple cider vinegar it balances out your pH in your skin. So I'm gonna mix all those up together. You're gonna need more than that. Well, I put too much apple cider vinegar. That was my fault. And then you're gonna take some tea tree oil. So tea tree oil has antimicrobial properties. Okay. And that's enough for that. I'm gonna need some more desert salt. Yep, that's my fault. But anyway, those are 3 different scalp scrubs you can try. If you find other ways more effective, like changing up the ingredients or something, these are just the ones that I personally like to use. But that's about it for this video. I didn't have nothing else today, but anyway, I've had a long week and your girl be going through some things. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. Thank you. Bye.